Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from KuCoin to Robinhood in 2025. If you're looking to manage your crypto portfolio more efficiently, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need an active account on both KuCoin and Robinhood, with DOT tokens available in your KuCoin wallet. Also, verify that Robinhood supports Polkadot deposits. By 2025, platforms like Robinhood might have updated their crypto offerings, so double-check their app or website for the latest details. Security is key, so enable two-factor authentication on both platforms to protect your assets. Now, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account and navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Find your Polkadot balance and select the Withdraw option. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to input the Robinhood wallet address for Polkadot. Wait, hold up. If Robinhood doesn't provide a direct deposit address, you might need to use an intermediary wallet first. In 2025, assume Robinhood has integrated better crypto support, but always confirm. Paste the address carefully, set the amount you want to transfer, and choose the network like Polkadot's native chain for faster, cheaper transactions. Step 3. Review and confirm the withdrawal on KuCoin. You'll likely see a confirmation screen with fees and estimated arrival time, typically 10 to 30 minutes for Polkadot transfers. Make sure to double-check everything to avoid errors. Step 4. Once initiated, head over to your Robinhood app. Monitor your account for the incoming transfer. If it doesn't show up, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. A few quick tips. Always start with a small test transfer to ensure everything works smoothly, and be aware of any network fees that could eat into your DOT amount. If you run into issues, like delayed transfers, contact customer support on either platform. There you have it. That's how you transfer Polkadot from KuCoin to Robinhood in 2025. It's all about staying cautious and informed. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.